You want to take him on this one, Dave? Where's your second one? Oh, you did. Oh, you did? You bad boy.
Hey, I'm on today.
I guess. Now those are some nice geese. Yeah, go for it, Dave.
I got one.
Nice job.
We got them all.
Got them all.
Dude, shooting. We're
Nice
shooting.
shoot. Hey, you want to whack that? Hey, Tony. Lou Adam. Now that's effective gun control via the A10 from Connecticut Shotgun Manufacturing. Just wanted to thank you guys for a beautiful over and under A10 28 gauge. Fine bit of American craftsmanship. CSMC set the standard for American shotgun craftsmanship. Thank you guys. Shoots even better than she looks. Didn't think that was possible. There's 3 more right out here, Fred. You want to kill those? You want to wait?
Let's take these two.
Well, now, just another example of effective gun control. This time with the Connecticut Shotgun Manufacturing RBL28. Another work of art from CSMC. You didn't think I was going to let that A10 have all the fun now, did you? Tony, Lou, Adam. Can't thank you guys enough. Just such a pleasure to own and shoot your products. Thanks again for your commitment to excellence. You guys do a great job. Thanks again for all the enjoyment. Fantastic product.